back again. I'm here with my trusty friend over here. His name is Classified, so don't ask him guns or anything, and it's Classified. So we're here reviewing this lovely microfighter set here from 2014, the Han Solo microfighters. Hopefully there isn't a thunderstorm. I know there was a tornado warning this morning, and there was an earthquake in the other town, so there might be a coming tsunami in the next coming days. So other than that, I really think it's gonna be a nice day. Sun's shining, real bright, and yeah, so please subscribe to the videos for us not to get a thunderstorm. If you do like and subscribe, there won't be a thunderstorm, but if you don't like and subscribe, there will be a thunderstorm. Alright guys, so anyways, this is the minifigure Han Solo. He is from the movies Revenge of the Menace. And
sorry, it slipped. I'll just use the force to get it. Alright, so here we go. This is the ship. But anyway, Han Solo has got some really nice detailing overall. I really think it is. And you really do see. Oh my god, it's raining! It's raining again! Oh, it's raining again! That's fine. Sit back down. Okay, okay. Okay, well, this is Han Solo from hopefully it doesn't rain. Oh my god, it's raining! Oh my god! Stop! Oh my god! Mother Nature! It's salt water. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Take them!
Alright guys, my friend is back from his potty break. Hey Classified, how you doing? But anyway, now on to the set, in case we don't have any troubles with thunder, lightning and whatnot, and the Optimus.
Sorry, I can take another potty break after that.
Anyway.
Don't go to the diaper change.
Oh my god!
Why is it raining? Why is it raining? Stop! Stop! Stop!
Apparently there's supposed to be acid rain. That's great. No, can you stop for 1 second? Stop! Can you stop? 1 second. Stop! Mother Nature! This is what I get. Is that a tornado box back there? I am sick and tired of this. Alright, now there's thunder. No, stop! Stop moving it! Make it stop! Stop! Alright guys, well, I think that does it for this video. That's a wrap. The rain won't stop clearly. There's thunder, and there's earthquakes and whatnot, so, I'm done. I can't do this anymore. And here we go. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. You know what? That's great. You know what? I'm sorry that you don't feel it right here, but